I'm Kathy O'Shea with New Age Industrial, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble your Crumbl dry storage shelving. What you will receive in your order is the bottom shelf, which is a T-bar style shelving. You could receive this in different sizes based on the units that you need for your specific layout and application. You'll receive 2 of the U-braces, one of which goes between the T-bar shelf and the solid shelves. You'll receive 2 solid shelves that go at the top to store your dry goods and your takeout containers and that type of thing. You'll also receive 4 96-inch poles, and you'll receive 4 of these brackets, which you use to stabilize the unit against the wall once it's completely set up and in place. You should also receive an Allen wrench that looks like this. You will use this to assemble the shelving. So we're going to put it together for you, and helping me today is Johnny Merchant. He's our regional manager, so he and I will begin and put this together for you. You want to line up your shelves, lay your shelves out on the floor, in the parking lot, wherever you are, and line up your shelves. You'll loosen, in each of the corners are these little, the nuts that you use to tighten it down. You'll loosen those up, and then you'll take one pole and slide it through all the shelves that you have set up and get it all the way through. And you are going to have to adjust it as you go. And once you get to that place, then we're going to stop. We're going to measure. With your tape measure, you want this to be 8 inches, the top of the shelf to be 8 inches off the floor. So you'll adjust your pole as you go through, and you may have to wiggle it and move it around. The bottom shelf will be 8 inches off the floor. You'll put a U-brace in the middle, and then you will place your additional shelves at 5 feet 10 and 7 foot 10 inches. So that should get you to the 96-inch span of the pole. So once you have that accomplished, then you take your Allen wrench and you tighten up the screws so that it will hold your shelving in place. Okay, so the next step is you take the second pole and you're going to put it through the same way, and we'll do a little demo on that again. And you want to make sure that all of your screws are loose. You don't want to unscrew them all the way because they'll pop out and you'll lose them. But you want to loosen them so that you can get the poles in. Steady. And you're going to just slowly work it through. Okay, so stop here, and I'm going to go ahead and tighten these at the top because we know, where this one goes. I'm going to get my tape measure, and I'm going to measure for the second top shelf just to make sure we're having it level. And then I'm going to tighten the screw down. Okay, and then we'll do the U-brace. We'll tighten it. Okay, so then the next step is you're going to flip the entire unit over so that you can do the other 2 poles on the other side. Now that you've completed putting all the posts in, you're ready, you need to tighten the screws. You also will receive a bag of silicone plugs for the set screws, and then you'll stand the unit up. You may have received 2 U-braces like this instead of 1. If you do receive 2, just make sure you separate them accordingly and put them in between the spacing and space them evenly apart for stability. Once you have the unit standing up and in place and you have your continuous line of shelving, then you'll take the bracket you receive, which is a custom bracket that mounts over here and then also has a space for the second shelf to butt up to it, and then you will screw these into the wall. If you have any questions, you can reach out to your dealer that you purchased the shelving from, or contact us at sales@newageindustrial.com.